Hi everyone, today we're making another cake. As the second installment of my classic German cake series, I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolute favorite cakes. With a fluffy base, cream filling, and an indulgent honey almond topping, this cake is the perfect balance of flavors and textures. I hope you will give this recipe a shot so that you can try this unique and delicious classic for yourself. Start with sifted flour, add salt, add baker's malt, add sugar, add yeast, add softened butter, add warm milk. Knead the dough with an electric mixer or by hand. Rest it for 30 to 45 minutes. Quickly knead the rested dough and form it into a ball. Roll out the dough with a rolling pin so it's wide enough to cover the bottom of a spring form. Shape the dough to evenly cover the form. Rest it while making the topping. Melt the butter. Add the heavy cream. Add vanilla sugar. Add honey. Simmer the mixture while constantly stirring. Add the almonds and simmer them for 2 minutes. Spread the topping evenly onto the base. Bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Let the base cool completely, then cut it into 2 layers with a long knife. Cut the top layer into 8 slices. For the filling, add heavy cream into a large bowl. Add the seeds of 1 vanilla bean pod. Add honey. Whip the cream. Add whipped powder. Gently fold the vanilla pudding into the cream mixture. Place the cake bottom into the spring form. Spread the filling onto it evenly. Add the top layer directly before serving. And there you go. Try making this cake next time you have friends or family over. I'm willing to bet they will be impressed. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a like, and if you make the cake, leave me a comment. I would love to hear about it. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you want to see more like this in the future, please click the subscribe button. I will see you next time.